Hello, everybody. Tinfoil Hat Lady here. I just finished my workshop, Your Sacred Humanity. What a lesson everything is. It worked out great. There was a lovely group of people there. There was so much perfection. It's often a wonder to me why we worry about anything. Because ultimately, God is in control. So I want to say thank you to all the people that came to hear me speak today. And there are just some things that have to happen. And even though I have a lot of pressure on me right now, in fact, I had a little anxiety attack on Friday after I got home from work. Yeah, Mr. Minnie knows. You know, I haven't had that for a while. My heart was pounding. My feet were going cold and hot. It always starts with a weird feeling in your arms, though, from what I can recall. And then you just feel like you have to run outside or something. That something's going to happen. It's like the weirdest feeling. And I went outside and I put my feet on the grass. And I started looking at this beautiful begonia that I have. And I thought, I love and approve of myself. I am safe. I love and approve of myself. I am safe. And then you can feel the energy coming from your body down into the earth. And then you feel better. My body is well. My body is good. My body is healed. My body is well. My body is good. My body is healed. My body is well. My body is good. My body is healed. And, but it did take me a long time, to calm down and actually, once I was in bed, to even get to sleep. And usually I go to sleep like, right away. So, anyways, I don't know why I told you that story. Well, anyways, that's an intimate story. But I'm a human being just like everybody else. There's a lot of pressure right now. And it's a crazy time we're in. Well, we're deciding if we're going to have global fascist government or we're going to have freedom. So are we going to have global fascist government or are we going to have freedom? Like there are outside entities that have given money to our leaders to promote this. Yeah, it's a thing to promote. It's like a marketing campaign that we've been victim of. The devil thinks he's so smart, doesn't he? He's wise and clever. No, he's not wise. He's clever and witty. He's in the solar plexus, but he's not wise like the heart. They want to control your physical, mental, and your emotional. So you have to stay in your heart. If you stay in love and tell the truth and be authentic and come from your authenticity, so you're processing a concept authentically, you're scrupulously honest and you're telling the truth to yourself first. That's what Jesus means. No man can come to the Father, the upper chakras, where you get real to heal, except through me, the heart chakra. That's who Jesus is. Jesus is your heart chakra. And he doesn't want you to worship him. He wants you to worship God, which you are a creation of. Jesus is your guide. He's a template. He came into this world to be a Luciferian sacrifice so that we could tune into his frequency. That frequency wasn't in this world before. Those concepts weren't in this world before that he brought us. That we are all spiritually equal and love. And what that means. You want to be on the show, cats? There's Rosabella Fluffer, and Mr. Miniballs is down there trying to hit my hand. So anyways, I'll just keep this short now. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. And I just felt like I should make a video because I finished my talk and the talk is done and the talk went good and I didn't record it. It was unrecordable. We couldn't have had any more tech in there. There was too much energy. Some tech didn't even work. So we had to improvise. And it was great. It all worked so beautifully. Everything was good. So I'm very proud of myself. And I'm going to stick with that feeling. And feel like I'm worthy. and feel like I'm a divine human essence. I'm a fire spirit in a water temple. And I'm going to love that water. All right. Peace out, kids. Hope you're well where you are.